1980 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, Stepside, street rotted a bit. Particular vehicle powered by a tune port injected, so TPI 350 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. It's also paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Let's take a look at the chrome grille, headlight surrounds, compressor for the ACs hooked up on it and everything as far as the serpentine belt system, but the rest of the components aren't there. We'll show you underneath the hood here at the end of the video, let you hear it run, check it out. But first, we want to check out the still pictures. Take a look at this truck from every angle, top and bottom, under the hood, bed of it, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Guess you could call this Hugger Orange. Disc brakes up front, cloth bench seat, shifter on the column. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the bed, it does have a spray-in bed liner. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Also see an access cover. Fits nicely. Will roll up for easy access. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I believe these were rocket rims that it was riding on. Rocket racing wheels. Hankook radials. Paint shows well. You'll find imperfections here and there on it, but overall there's a nice gloss to it, nice shine. But I didn't know, she might have a spot where it's been touched up here and there. Tough to get it to show up in the videos actually. It's nothing real major. Fun one to get in, drive, enjoy, take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Look at the condition of the seat, a herringbone pattern, I guess you could call it. Sliding rear window. Going to fire it up so you can hear it run. Again, fuel injected, so TPI 350. Starts easily. You notice there's a little AM FM different stereo. I have not had that working, FYI. Flip around to the back so you hear it run. A little rumble out of that V8. Good sounding exhaust to it. Does look like it's a newer exhaust. Alright, let me pause this a second. Check underneath the hood. Take a look at it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's a look under the hood. And engine bay. So again, power steering, power brakes, headers. TPI 350, HCI ignition, aluminum radiator, some electric cooling fans on there. Smooth runner. 1980 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, Stepside, street rotted. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.